Have you ever seen a drone fly up and down a wall sideways? Introducing the Valero drone, an amazing hexacopter that can fly in any direction. Created by a team of students from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology and the Zurich University of the Arts, the Valero is capable of some incredible flight characteristics. Using 6 individually tilting rotors, this groundbreaking creation can actually decouple its orientation to the ground. This enables it to fly diagonally, sideways, or even upside down. The students have also developed a system for controlling the Valero using hand gestures. Because its propellers can rotate the Valero 360 degrees, a mounted camera doesn't require a gimbal. Taking only 9 months to complete their prototype, the team isn't content to stop there. Future improvements include using 3 of the tilted rotors as landing gear and adding a sphere in the center to make it roll omnidirectionally along the ground. There's even discussion about teaching the Valero to swim. Having demonstrated new possibilities for drone flight, the Valero and its team have set the bar even higher for future drone developers. This is the Drobotron, a mind-shattering flying billboard from Florida company Drobotron LLC. Designed to bring digital content to the skies, this incredible drone lets customers promote their businesses like never before. Utilizing state-of-the-art digital technology, the Drobotron can display text, graphics, logos, photos, and video. Its 1000 nit Luminex 360 screen is gloriously brilliant in the dark and highly visible in the daylight. The Drobotron is mostly marketed to corporate entities and organizations, but its programmable display could benefit anyone looking to make a huge impression. You think she accepted? With its easy-to-use PC program, the Drobotron can also work in conjunction with other devices, recently synced with music and light displays from 3 remote-controlled helicopters. The Drobotron showed off its rapping skills. The Drobotron DL1200 can fly for 10 minutes on a single charge. Extremely easy to assemble and disassemble for travel. Operators will appreciate the convenient carrying case. The company plans to recruit a large number of Drobotron pilots to work with businesses. We'd sign up for that. Meet the SpiderMav from London's Aerial Robotics Laboratory, an unbelievable drone that can anchor itself in mid-air like a spider. Taking its cue from the Darwin's bark spider, the SpiderMav can shoot a pair of webs that allow it to perch anywhere it pleases. The SpiderMav was created by first adding a specialized stabilizing module to the bottom of a DJI Matrice 100 drone. A perching module is also attached to the drone's top. To secure and hold its position, the SpiderMav requires a magnetic surface both above and to the side. To secure the SpiderMav in mid-air, the stabilizing module first fires a magnetic anchor attached to a string of polystyrene thread at its magnetic target. Once contact is established, the perching module uses the same procedure to attach an anchor to the above target. A spool within the perching module pulls the upper string tight, and the drone maneuvers itself to create tension in the side string. Though a system for disengaging the anchors hasn't yet been perfected, technology like SpiderMav drone could prove useful in a variety of real-world applications. Check out the Plimp from Seattle-based Egon Airships, an innovative aircraft designed for the commercial drone industry. At 8.5 meters long and weighing just 25 kilograms, this amazing airship combines the lift of a plane with the control of a helicopter and the buoyancy of a blimp. Its dynamic wings enable it to hover, dip, ascend, bank, or spin with ease. The Plimp incorporates two copter-style rotors attached to its forward wings. Vertical takeoff is achieved with the rotors positioned horizontally. For forward flight, the rotors rotate to a forward position. Hovering is accomplished by rotating the wings back to the horizontal position. Its rigid helium-filled blimp structure adds extra lift and keeps it from plummeting to the ground in the event of rotor failure. With a maximum speed of 40 miles per hour and a 20-mile range, the Plimp's stable flight characteristics make it the perfect filming platform for advertising, agriculture, surveys, mining operations, and more. Future plans include larger models that can carry passengers. Now in the review process for flight approval in the US, the Plimp could quickly become a worldwide aerial phenomenon. This is the Airspace LV Drone Hunting Drone from California company Airspace Systems, designed as an effective means of protection from unwanted drones. Part of Airspace's broader drone security system, this autonomous drone hunter can actually capture and bring down trespassing drones. Launched from a mobile command center, the Airspace LV drone uses machine vision and deep learning to detect anomalies in the sky and classify rogue drones. Using onboard computing power and sophisticated software, the Airspace anticipates and reacts to the drone's every move in real time. It can then track the offending drone's path, pilot an intercept course, and engage in hot pursuit. Once within range, the Airspace fires a Kevlar net that captures the unwanted flying guest and brings it safely to the ground. Now that even inexpensive drones can carry more weight and stay in the air longer, they present a clear and present danger to private companies and soldiers in the battlefield. The Airspace LV is ready, willing, and able to take the fight to the enemy. Introducing the Aura from Pennsylvania company Loco Robo Innovations, a revolutionary flying drone that's controlled with simple gestures. If you've ever dreamed of having superpowers, the Aura gives you abilities that come pretty close. With the Aura, there's no more complicated joysticks or multi-axis controls. Using the new science of Gesturebotics and the revolutionary glove controller, you have the power to control the Aura's flight by simply moving your hand. Forward, back, left, or right. Each gesture gives you simple, intuitive control. With a host of preset functions like auto takeoff and landing, auto hover, and more, you'll be performing cool stunts and racing through obstacles right out of the box. Just put on the glove, calibrate it with the drone, and within minutes you'll be performing insane 360-degree flips. The Aura comes with everything you need to get started, including the drone, the glove controller, 4 spare propellers, 2 rechargeable batteries, and a USB charger. Because it's so easy, everyone can fly, even Dad. With the Aura, the power of flight is in your hands. Check out the Converticopter, an amazing new drone design from California company VTOL Aerospace. Building off the company's designs for manned vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, the Converticopter is a closed-wing tilt-rotor drone that combines the takeoff, hovering, and maneuvering capabilities of a helicopter with the vertical flight abilities of an airplane. Larger than most commercially available quadcopter UAVs, its 2.4-meter wingspan incorporates dual tilt rotors inside a fixed box wing. A large 20-amp battery allows 1.5 hours of loitering or hovering time, and a proposed electric power plant could extend that to an astounding 5 hours. The company's first model, the CVC-96, carries a 2.2-kilogram payload that can be upscaled for specific buyer or mission requirements. With a larger power source, even longer flight times and increased payload sizes could be made possible, with craft sporting up to a 12.1-meter wingspan. In the meantime, the CVC-96 is undergoing extensive testing, demonstrating amazing promise for applications including surveillance, patrol, police, and search and rescue. The Converticopter is poised to take drone performance to the next level. Check out the Eagle Ray XAV, an incredible unmanned fixed-wing aircraft capable of traveling both through the air and under the water. Developed by researchers from North Carolina State University and Teledyne Scientific, this experimental autonomous vehicle is perfectly at home in the air, on the water's surface, or beneath the waves. Launched from the shore, the Eagle Ray uses its propellers to propel itself across the water's surface. Then, upon command, this hybrid drone slides effortlessly beneath the waves. It can also dive into the water directly from the air. After sailing gracefully through the underwater depths, the Eagle Ray can soar straight out of the water and into the sky. Possible future uses of the Eagle Ray include tracking the movements of dolphins or other marine life from the air, then following them into the water to observe their habits and behavior. The Eagle Ray could also be outfitted with sonar to track the location of subsurface marine life, man-made vehicles, or other specific targets. With studies underway to improve its remote control systems, the Eagle Ray XAV holds tremendous promise for a variety of applications. Which of these new drone inventions did you think were the most awesome? Tell us in the comment section below. Remember, you can now watch Freeze Lists in Spanish on our new channel, Freeze Lists Español. To do so, just click on this link and you will be directed there. See you next time.